that.
You don't kill me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. You so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. Can't fight it, let your light gon' shine on me. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he comes. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, and yeah, today's Saturday, and I'm getting to rest. Well, I'm just for breakfast, so I got a pink blouse. The pink blouse here, I don't know. I always just the part here need to sit properly, but so yeah, this morning I went to my bed like literally probably about after 12 or something. So I'm surprised I'm awake, alert, and enthusiastic. So ready for day 2. I know by the time day 2 done, I know I'm going up. So, because I think I got burnt yesterday, and there was no sun out. So imagine today. Yeah. So yes, I'm wearing this bathsuit today. Just bathsuit. I don't know if you guys know it. It's this long sleeve blouse thingy, and I have on the bottom now. And then I'm going to put this mesh thing over it. So yeah, it's not like it make a difference because that is verting everything I was sure. So it's just for my peace of mind. Yeah, and I have this Crocs that my sister bought, but she didn't really. Well, she lent me it. Well, no, she gave me it. So I have it on. Yeah. The chain did break off, so I tied something. Well, she tied something on it. But yes. Yeah. I'm gonna have breakfast in a few, and then I'm gonna come back up and change. I need to remember to take my medication when I come back up, so I'll put it in my bag. Yeah. vlog not coming with y'all though.
Okay. I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to
Well, if I die today, this is the last video.
dancers and the man. Abdul giving you Limbo.
Morning guys, so it is the last day. I'm going to the beach. Good morning. Hey guys, I'm heading back to the room. We got pool. No, we got beach. We got beach. Beach was lovely. So I'm heading up because it's like 7 right now. I'll go head up and shower and just get ready and done. And then come my breakfast. What? Am I sure?
Yes. What are you teaching these kids? Huh? What are you teaching these kids?
I don't know. I wonder.
Ooh. Don't do that.
She hit over my man because I won.